move down a little bit more for me. So this one, I'm gonna have your knees bend a bit, with both sides, and I'll have you hug this pillow here. Adjust your neck is unwind in the whole spine. Okay? Hug tight right here, squeeze it. I want to roll you over, put my hand underneath your spine and release it somewhere. Okay? Hug tight, squeeze. Good. Breathe in for me, and all the way out. All the way out. Okay, face me again. Face me. Good. There you go. Breathe in, and all the way out. All the way out. There you go. Good. There you go. Breathe in, and all the way out. Good. In, and all the way out. Good. In, and all the way out. Good. And one more. In, and all the way out. Good. And relax. You feel it towards more of the mid back more, right? Yeah. Okay, let's go ahead and release some tension in your hip first, and your tension in the hamstring first, actually. Here. Good. The hamstring, like I said, is going to pull your knee, and it's going to pull your lower back, okay? So I'll stretch both sides. Okay, put this one down when you can. Good. So I instruct you how to stretch at home and release the tensions, and then we're gonna go on from there and then do some knee exercises, okay?
Okay.
Or rehabs later, okay? Good. Relax, okay. Just relax in there. Good, there you go. Feel it? That's for the non-painful one, okay? This is not the painful side, okay? So we try to ease it in on the other side, the left side as well. Okay, let's test the strength right here. Okay, push back up for me. Push up. Stronger. Good. And relax, okay? It should be like that or even stronger, okay? So this drop right here is gonna activate your hip even more and makes it stronger. It's gonna drop down like this. Good. Good. And you don't feel much, but it does help, okay? Okay, push back up for me. Resist me again. Stronger. Good. How do you feel? Okay?
Okay.
Are you good? Good. I'll adjust the ankle too. Just relax and let go in there. Good. There you go. And the toes.
Oh.
So head to toe, okay?
It's all
Good.
so
There you
tight.
go. Yeah.
My knee.
Yeah, I'll take it easy. Yes, relax.
It's the knees.
Yeah. Good. Good. Alright. See some tension in there. Good.
Knees on this big foot.
Yeah. I'll put some motion in it first before I adjust you.
It's not aligned.
So pretty much the knee is, you use it so much because we stand, we walk,
Yeah.
a lot of weight on it, right? Therefore, if it's misaligned or some inflammation, it's going to cause you a lot of pain. And the knee and the shoulders are the longer ones to heal because it's overused.
Oh.
Good, there you go. And relax. Good. Great. Breathe in and out of the way out. Good. Breathe in and out of the way out. Good. Okay. Let's go ahead and test the hip on this side. Push back up for me. All the way up. This side's weaker, right? Yes, so I ease the tension in your hip flexors here. It's going to be sore and painful as well. Good. And relax. So same thing with the drop here. Good. Good. Okay, let's go ahead and test it again. Push back up for me. Good. How do you feel now?
Yeah, better.
Stronger?
Yeah.
Okay, face down for me again, okay? Out for me again. Good. And relax. Raise up both legs straight up, same time.
Oh,
Feel
so
now?
much better. Yes.
Feel it? Yeah,
Yes.
see it?
Just now it was
Yeah,
like
so it's
3
one
inch.
down and one up,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
Drop. Good. Breathe in and hold it. And out. Releasing some more tension for you. Good. That's it. Breathe in. And out. All the way up. Good. Okay. And then sit up and face me, sir. So I'll adjust your knee this way too, okay? Okay, move back a bit for me. Good. Or raise it. Okay. Is it painful here? Not too bad, huh? This one. Huh? I'll adjust both sides. Because this one, the load, take the load now. You're shifting because anytime you have pain, you shift your weight. You shift the load, okay? So we don't want this one to be affected too, okay? So this one's gonna be lifted up. Move over here from Good. And move back. Good. And just right there, it's good. Right there. It's gonna drop down. Good. Good. There you go. Move over here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Move over here now. Yeah. Just knee right in the center. That's good. Test it. Painful? No. Okay, right? Okay. Let's go ahead and adjust it. Good. And relax. I'll go ahead and drop it. Okay, now let's walk around, see how you feel. Move it around. Walk normally, okay? Because your body recalibrating right now. Your brain is recalibrating it.
Yeah, so much better. Just now he was limping.
Yeah, walk more around.
Whoa, whoa.
How do you feel, sir?
Very good. I don't feel embarrassed walking.
Yeah, just now he was
So confidently
limping,
walk,
limping.
because you've been compensating and your body is shifting weight even.
Okay.
So the brain is recalibrating and learning again, so adapts, and just walk comfortably so you can be normal again.
This is my walking
Yeah,
price.
that's good. Yeah, yeah.
It's still recalibrating, it's still compensating a bit, but we try to get it to normal again, okay? And the need takes some time, but anything that's natural, it's gradually healed.
So how often should I do it?
Yeah, because of muscle memory, it lasts you about 1 or 3 days. It does go back up,
Yeah.
pull back. Therefore, the first month, it's gonna be 2 times a week,
Right.
okay? And after that, I'll check you again, see how you do. If you get better, I'll reduce the frequency, okay? If you don't, then continue for another month, okay? Until you get better, right? But the need is 3 to 6 months time frame, okay? The shoulder, same thing. They heal long. It takes longer for these to heal, okay?
Yeah.
All right. So tomorrow you might feel some soreness. It's normal. Natural healing does that, and some. It's like an after workout kind of thing.
Right.
Okay. Drink some water, flush it out. Okay. You can see yours.